I started off pre-pharmacy major. Once I volunteered in the pharmacy, I realized that that's something I didn't want to do. So I had a lot of math and science credits, and I ended up at Augusta Technical College. I did their nuclear engineering technology program. During that 2 years that you're there, you actually get to intern out here at Plant Vogel, and I realized that that was a good fit for me. After I graduated, I came out here and I was a nuclear technician. I could have progressed to be a nuclear electrician, nuclear mechanic, radiation protection technician, or systems operator. Obviously, I chose nuclear electrician. I was a little hesitant at first to be working around electricity, but through the training and the hands-on experience I've gotten out here, pairing that with a great group of people that are always willing to help me get through the tasks that I have to perform, I now have the confidence to do my job. Things that I would work on, I would troubleshoot breakers, and that can be anything from resetting the breaker to pulling the breaker out and performing a maintenance on the breaker. We would troubleshoot heat trace panels. Operating the panels could go wrong, so that's something we would look at, and we look at motor operated valves. For me, my future at Southern Company right now is just perfecting my craft. I think I might go into some specialty qualifications, maybe motor operated valves. I know I'm in the right career because I still enjoy coming to work. I get to fix things, I still learn something new pretty much every day, and the pay part of it doesn't hurt either, so. We power our community, and that's everything from hospitals to restaurants and all the businesses in between, and we do it in a safe, clean manner.